Very good morning, students. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine, ma'am.
So you all completed your assignment, division assignment
Yes,
number
ma'am.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we start? We will discuss
Yes.
this assignment number 4. Students, you will raise your hand. Okay, I will unmute you. Okay, बच्चे? So the first question in the assignment is an organism A respires through its skin. Identify A. So you have to name that organism that respires through its skin. Yes, Janvi Dhingra.
Earthworm.
Yes, earthworm. Very good. So next is question number 2. What are the holes through which an insect breathes called? Yes, Jayadip Singh. Just give me a minute, bache. I am unmuting you. Yes, bache.
Ma'am, spiracles.
Spiracles. And spelling of spiracles?
Spiracles.
Very good. So the next question number 3. Name an inorganic impurity present in sewage. Yes, Ajitesh. Yes, bache.
Nitrates.
Nitrates, or you can also write phosphates. Both are correct. Yes. Now coming to the next one. Question number 4, 2 marks question answer. So in this, the first question is, what is sludge? Please students, raise your hand. Yes, Nimita Sharma.
Solid like feces settle at the bottom and removed with the scraper. This is called sludge.
Very good, very good. And next, who will tell me its one use? Use of sludge. Vridhi Mukkar. Yes, bache.
Sludge is used to make manure and it is also used to make biogas.
Okay, yes. In the next chamber, it is stated जो different chamber उसके लिए choose किया जाता है जहाँ पे वो biogas produce करती है, ठीक है? And वो biogas को हम use कर सकते हैं for producing electricity. But for sludge, you can write manure only, ठीक है? It is also correct. If you are writing it is used for making manure, it is also correct. You will get full marks. Clear? Next question number 5, 2 marks. Name the gas exhaled by human beings. Exhaled. I'm just asking one only the first part of the question. Yes. Ramneek bache.
Carbon dioxide is exhaled by human beings.
Yes. So next is, what will be the effect of exhaled air? Means what is the effect of this carbon dioxide on lime water? On lime water, what is the effect? Yes, Vanshika Mishra.
On lime water, the carbon dioxide will change into milky form.
Yes, that's in this you can write that there will be the lime water will turn milky. Clear? Okay, and yes, very good, Vanshika. Next question. During exhalation, what change you observe in your ribs and diaphragm? Firstly, Khushpreet will tell me for ribs, what is the change that you observe in the ribs?
During inhalation, up and
Yes. Diaphragm, Gulleen will tell bache, what is the change that you observe in your diaphragm?
Diaphragm moves up and inwards.
No, bache. Ribs will move up and it will move outward. Diaphragm, what will be the change? Tanya, can you tell bache? Yes, bache.
During inhalation, ribs move up and outward and
Okay.
diaphragm move downward. The
Yes.
movement increases space in our chest cavity and air rushes into lungs.
Yes, you can write this, but if it is asked that what will be the change on the change in the ribs and diaphragm, you will mention that only. ठीक है? Because आपको अगर पूछा जाए कि what happens to the कि air कैसे push हो रही है, inwards आ रही है कि outwards आ रही है, so then you will write. ठीक है? Okay, बच्चे clear? Only 2 marks will also be given if you are writing just for ribs move up and outwards and diaphragm will move down. ठीक है? You will get good full marks. Next, coming to the 3 marks question answers. So the first question is its mass distribution is 2 plus 1. So means why we get muscle cramps after heavy exercise. Yes, Rohan Gaba bache.
After heavy exercise, our muscles start respiration anaerobically, which
Yes.
produces lactic acid and it causes cramps.
Yes. So here
We
you will.
can-
Hanji.
We can get a massage or a hot bath to free from
To get
cramps.
relief from, yes, to get relief from the muscle cramps. ठीक है? So in this, firstly you will mention कि respiration कौन सा हो रहा है, anaerobically हो रहा है, ठीक है? And then you will mention that कि that lactic acid produced, ठीक है? Lactic acid is produced and then due to the partial breakdown of the lactic acid we get muscle cramps. Clear बच्चे? क्लियर है बच्चे सभी को? यहाँ पे पहले आप मेंशन करोगे कि एनारोबिकली है, देन यू विल क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग एनारोबिकली व्हाट हैपेंस, देयर इज पार्शियल breakdown of the glucose that happens, okay, and it partial breakdown form the lactic acid that get deposited in our body. ठीक है? Only 2 sentences, 2 important points: anaerobically the respiration, anaerobic respiration, and the second is lactic acid that is produced due to the partial breakdown. Clear bachche? And then there is question, how can we get relief from cramps? Obviously by hot water bath or by massaging we get relief. It is of 1 mark. Clear bachche? Now coming to the next question, number 8. Write any 3 ways by which we can reduce the load of pollutants in wastewater treatment plant. Each student will tell only one way. ठीक है? I will unmute you. Yes, please students raise your hand. By which we can reduce the load. कि वो जो वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट पे है वो भी हम लोड को कम कर सकें. अंश बच्चे, you know the answer. 7th pink. Okay. Jaydeep. Okay. Shreya. Yes बच्चे. I am unmuting you. Yes बच्चे. Pranvi Gupta.
One way is not to throw the oils and fats in the sink.
Yes. Oil and sanitary pads or napkins we should not throw in the sink. Okay. Next, Ajitesh.
Ma'am, we should not throw chemicals like paint, etc. in water because they will kill the bacteria.
Yes, because it will pollute the water and it will increase the load on the wastewater treatment plant, because oil and petrol, the other things, paint also contains oil. Okay, that will not get mixed with water. So therefore, we should not throw these substances into the water. Next. Yes, Vanshika.
Use tea leaves, food, solid food remains, and soft toys, etc. should not be thrown in the drains.
Yes, very good. Yes, Rohan Gabba. You want to tell the any other point?
We should not throw oil and grease in drains because they block the pipes.
Yes, you can write. So I think 3 ways are sufficient for this. You can include these points also. Now coming to the next one, differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So just give me a minute. So whiteboard is visible to you all? Show thumbs up. Raise your, yes, thank you. So now aerobic and aerobic one by one you will tell me, okay? Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So firstly, yes. Ramneek, yes, bache?
Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen.
Yes.
Anaerobic respiration. It occurs in the absence of oxygen.
Yes. So one by one, I am just writing the hints here. Okay. Aerobic respiration in the presence of oxygen and anaerobic respiration in the absence of oxygen. Now next point. Yes, Tanisha bache. Tanisha.
Ma'am, aerobic it helps. More energy is released.
Okay. In aerobic, there is more energy is released. In the case of anaerobic,
Less energy is released.
yes, very good, very good. Less energy is released. And next, Ridhima, yes, bache. Third point.
Ma'am, cause complete breakdown of carbohydrates.
Okay, yes, in the aerobic respiration, there is complete breakdown of carbohydrate takes place. And in the case of anaerobic,
Cause incomplete breakdown of carbohydrates.
sorry, can you repeat, bache?
Incomplete breakdown of carbohydrates.
Very good, very good. Here the complete breakdown of carbohydrates and here the incomplete breakdown of carbohydrates. Now next point. Point number 4, yes. Tanya bache, fourth point.
In anaerobic respiration, it exchanges the gases between organisms and outside environment. And in anaerobic respiration, exchange of gases is absent.
Okay, so students, this point is clear to you. So I am not writing this point on the whiteboard, okay, because it will take so much space. That much space is not available here. So next point, Rohan Gabba.
In aerobic respiration, glucose break down to form carbon dioxide and water and release energy.
Yes.
In anaerobic respiration, glucose
Yes.
break down to give alcohol and carbon dioxide and releases energy.
Very good, very good. So now in the last you will write the you will mention this thing. What are the products? What are the end products that are formed? Okay. So the next important point I want to discuss also the word equations for aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So in the case of aerobic and anaerobic respiration, you will mention the equations properly. Okay, you will use word equation. You will not write the chemical symbols for that. Okay, clear? You will not write CO2 because in that you will आप उसमें कोई ना कोई mistake कर जाते हो while writing CO2. Clear? So I request you or I suggest you so that you don't use the symbols. ठीक है, क्योंकि in the test also जो मैंने चेक किए हैं previous में भी, अगर विजन भी कराई है क्लास में तो सिंबल्स जो है आप गलत यूज करते हो. ठीक है, कैपिटल सी अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो तो द कार्बन सी should be capital, O should be capital, and 2 here you will write 2. ठीक है, not O above over it will make power. ठीक है, यहाँ पे उसके जो सबस्क्रिप्ट में है वो 2 आना चाहिए. क्लियर? ओके, so any doubt, please lower down your hands. If you have any doubt, only raise your hand then. So next other points you can also write that that aerobic respiration occur throughout the life and an anaerobic respiration it is only for short period of time. ठीक है, for example in yeast cell and in the inner muscle cell when we do any physical activity. ठीक है. Yes, Nimita, any other point you want to discuss? The same point? Okay, bache. So coming to the next, the equations for aerobic and anaerobic. So in the case of anaerobic, firstly we will discuss aerobic. ठीक है. Blackboard is clear to you all? Just wait a minute, give me a minute. I am bringing it closer. Now coming to the next, equations for the aerobic and anaerobic. In the case of aerobic respiration, glucose will break down in the presence of
Oxygen.
yes. Glucose, it will break down in presence of oxygen and it will produce alcohol. Sorry, it will produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. And in the case of anaerobic respiration, glucose will break down in the absence of oxygen and it will produce alcohol plus carbon dioxide and release of energy. Students, now it is time 10:22. Please join your next class. Have a good day. Thank you.